And yes, this is a blow drying video, but I'm just going to do a shampoo and conditioner. I am doing motions. I am going back to what used to work for me, and this time I'm going to lather it up. I am really bad at shampooing my hair, so I really wanted to lather everything up and make sure I get everything all. I'll share my world with you if you're gonna waste your time. I know you're supposed to use a comb to detangle everything, like one of those wide tube combs, but I really wanted to use my fingers because, I don't know, there's something about using my fingers and running my hands through my hair that just makes it all better. This is going to be the Motions conditioner. They're not the same type of shampoo and conditioner, but they are Motions. It definitely works. This one I kind of use sparingly and I shouldn't have, but it still got me the results that I wanted. So yeah. Don't close your eyes to get away. So I am in the process of trying to figure out how to take care of my hair because yes, I'm 30 and I still don't know how. So if you see something that I should have done or I shouldn't have done, then please comment down below. I can take any constructive criticism because I really need it. I'm really trying to grow my hair out because I really think I should have moisturized my hair before even doing the products that I'm finna use. So at this point, I'm just winging it and trying to learn what I'm doing. All that you need is no pressure, girl. If you got time to waste it with me. So one product I'm going to use is this Chi heat protectant. I do plan on doing a silk press. That's why I'm doing this blow drying video. So I'm just getting everything in order. I'm not doing my silk press tonight because I know I'm going to be too tired to do it. So I'm going to do that tomorrow. I feel like I did not put enough in. I don't know. I guess because I was just wanting it to be like a moisturizer. But I think it did okay. You see, I was kind of second guessing. Like, I'm just going to do a little bit more. This is my blow dryer 5-in-1 that I got from AliExpress. There's a lesson to be learned with this. I got this because I thought it would be easier to brush it out versus the air dryer I already got. You'll see that debacle later. But I was trying to see if it worked better than the one I have, and let's just give it a shot. And as you see, I am not getting the results I was looking for. With every brush down, it's spraying back, and I'm like, this is not what I want. This is not right. This is not it. This is not how I seen in the video. So yeah, don't get your blow dryers for $6 on AliExpress. It's a trap. So I had to just pull out the Old Faithful Kind Air. I will link this down below, but I got this some years ago. And you may be asking, well, why didn't you just use this in the first place? Well, throughout this video, you will see why. It's very frustrating for me to use. But you can definitely tell the difference in the results and even in the air that you can get from it. I know for a fact that I am going to have to get my ends clipped, but I'm just not ready to see how low that they're going to have to cut it. And this is why I hate this dryer. Now I'm going to go in with this Silk Infusion. This is the keratin, is not the kind that I thought I was supposed to get. And yeah, you can see how slow I am at this point. Yeah, one of those nights. But they say this spreads thin, so I didn't put too much on, and it really does spread thin, and it smells good. So, but I really feel like I should have moisturized my hair before I did any of this.
We just can't we just talk about where we're going before we get lost? Maybe our thoughts can't ever wake up alone. I've never felt like this before. I apologize if I'm moving too far. Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Figure out where we're going. Yeah. Started off right, I can see it in your eyes. I can tell that you want in. What's been on your mind? There's no reason we should hide. Tell me something I ain't heard before. Oh, I've been dreaming about it, and it's you I'm on. So stop thinking about it. Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Some flowers in the room and make sure I lock the door. Now I'm on the way, swear I won't be late. I'll be there by 5 o'clock. Oh, you've been dreaming about it. I'm what you want. So stop thinking about it. Can we just talk? Can we just talk?
If you're wondering, I do have this on high, and I know what you're thinking, like, well, if you're not trying to damage your hair, why would you have it on high? Out of laziness, I was trying to get everything done. Plus, I rarely flat iron or heat my hair. Like, the last time I flat ironed my hair was like a good 6 months ago, so it's not often that I apply heat to my hair. Yeah, it is definitely one of those nights. Like, how I break a brush, it's just too much for me. Like I try to do the right thing, and I just gotta go in with a blow dry brush. But then, watch this. see, now I'm just contemplating everything at this point. Like, I'm just over it. I'm over it.
She discreet, she don't want her business in the street. Be my little secret, baby, be my little freak. All weekend on a weekend, do something different. Got my attention. 8 figures, fucking with a rich nigga.
So y'all gonna have to bear with me on these last couple minutes on this video, because I want you to know I went into this whole project thinking that I lost a lot of hair since I last flat ironed. Because you know I've been wearing wigs and my hair been falling out at an alarming rate. So now it's just like, dang, I didn't know my hair was still this thick. Like, I really thought I lost a lot of my hair. Y'all look at me fall in love with my hair again. Like, you can just see the pride of my, like, you can see the pride on my face. Like, I'm just happy that I'm still able to have this hair, because I thought I didn't have it for real.
On the regular, summer too hot, it's a regular. This fire without your flame, and I know you feel the same. Come on, take that shit off. Summer too hot, let's stop it up. It's alright, it's waiting on that. It's a living up, let me turn it up just a few times. Summer too hot, let's stop it up.
And this is the result of my blown drying out hair. Like I said, I haven't did this in months, so I'm really loving the results. I miss my hair like this. I haven't seen it like this in so long, and yeah, I just fell in love all over again. Bye.